Hey everybody, how's it going? This is Ralph with another video. And in this one, I want to cover the topic, what makes the Home Business Academy different from other opportunities? In other words, why should I join the Home Business Academy? There are countless online opportunities out there. What makes the Home Business Academy so special? Well, I've been in this industry now for a long time. I've started my first home-based business part-time back in 2009, took it full-time in 2011, and I've been doing a combination of, brick and mortar type businesses and home-based online businesses and online sales ever since. And what I've found is that the Home Business Academy is different in its basic attitude. I mean, the owners really care about the well-being of the members and helping the members succeed in their home-based business. And I really could have used this way back when I was starting, back in the early 2000s, because I didn't have any guidance back then. I was just winging it, from the seat of my pants pretty much. And made some good decisions, made some good moves, made some bad moves. With a little bit of guidance, I could have got a lot further along a lot faster than what I did and be a lot further ahead than what I am now. But, I'm a do-it-yourselfer, so I did it myself for the longest time. But with the Home Business Academy, our owners actually care about your success, and they are there to help guide and mentor you. I've been in some home-based business opportunities where it's all about the money, okay? It's just a big money grab for the owners, for the people doing the recruiting and the sponsoring and all that. And I really didn't get the feeling in that other opportunity that anybody in that organization really cared about my success or anybody else's. They cared about getting their commissions, but that was really about it. And in one business I was in, it was like $50 to get started in. And then you could go up other levels. I think you could go all in for around $3,000. But I mean, their attitude was go in, go all in. If you have to, max out a credit card, do it. This is a really great opportunity. We got a great compensation plan, really, really go for it. And then once you got in at either the $50 level or the upper levels, their main training, their main guidance was this: get your affiliate link, slam traffic into your affiliate link by buying solo ads and get started that way. And the problem with that is that the solo ad industry back then, like it is today, it is an industry that is fraught with fraud. It is rife with fraud. There are some good, legitimate solo ad vendors out there, but there are a lot of bad actors out there too. And when you're first getting started in a home business affiliate marketing opportunity, you know nothing about solo ads. You know nothing about how to vet vendors. And you're told just go out there and buy solo ads and spend about $500 to $1,000 a month or whatever you can afford on solo ads and cross your fingers and hope for the best. That's not very good counsel. By comparison, the Home Business Academy teaches you how to get free leads. Let me say that again. The Home Business Academy teaches you how to get free leads, how to do email marketing, how to do Facebook marketing, social media marketing, how to get organic leads. And then if you want to go ahead and pay for advertising or buy solo ads, they've got some trainings that'll help you in that regard too. But the main focus, which I love, is helping people to get free organic leads. And the two owners of the Home Business Academy have built up million-dollar businesses by using free leads. They know how to leverage free traffic, and they help guide you through it. And I mean, it is such a breath of fresh air compared to other organizations that I have been in. Another difference about the Home Business Academy. I was in one affiliate. No, it wasn't affiliate it was partially affiliate marketing and blogging, kind of a combination of the two. But it was an organization in which they had the regular members just coming in, and then they had their members who were making sales, some sales, and then they had the super affiliates. And man, the super affiliates were just something else. And every newcomer in that program wanted to find out, how do I talk to a super affiliate so that I can learn their secrets so I can start becoming a super affiliate myself. And you know what? In that program, super affiliates kept themselves hidden because they didn't want to be giving away their secrets. They didn't want to be bothered or hassled by newcomers asking them, hey, how do I get to where you are at now? How do I become a super affiliate? They really weren't there to answer questions. They pretty much just kept themselves hidden. And every year they would have a get-together for the super affiliates in Las Vegas. And, they would celebrate, they would talk business and celebrate some more, go out drinking, gambling, whatever. And I mean, that was where you would find the super affiliates. But you had to be a super affiliate to find a super affiliate. And for a newcomer, that was pretty frustrating, actually. And the Home Business Academy, in contrast to that, we don't have super affiliates. We do have people who do a really good job making sales and have built up, 6 and 7 figure incomes through affiliate marketing, but we don't call them super affiliates. You know what we call them? We call them members of our community. Our community it's not divided up into newcomers and super affiliates and owners and where you bow down and you worship, the super affiliates. No. It's more of a round table type of an experience. It's an experience where we are all equals. The guys on top care about your success. If they can help you out, the guys and the gals on top, I should say, because some of our big earners are women as well as men. But I mean, they are there to help you succeed. And in our organization, the Home Business Academy, we have a group, and the owners are there in the group on a daily basis to answer your questions. They are not far off and aloof. The so-called super affiliates, we don't call them that, but they are there. The people in the top earning brackets, they're active in the groups too, usually. And yeah, you can get advice. You can talk to them. People will help you out. You have a question, people will help you get to where you want to go. And we have live mastermind trainings that are also recorded for the people who cannot attend live. We have affordable packages, really affordable packages for people that need to get started. Either, people who want to go all in can go all in for, what is it? Really under about $600 for all 4 packages. If you want 3 packages, it's only about $160, something like that. But I mean, our packages are very affordable. We have a $10 a month package called the Let's Goal app. And that is a personal development app. It fits on your smartphone. It helps you to set goals, helps you to achieve your goals. It's got a virtual vision board on it. You get quotes on it, motivational quotes. It's got a journal, virtual journal that you can journal in on a daily basis. You can carry it around with you. The Let's Go app sells for $10 a month. It earns you $8 a month recurring commissions. So the beauty of that is you get in at the $10 level, which is a pretty cheap level, make 2 sales, you're already in profit. Next higher level is the funnel builder level, costs $25 a month, pays $20 recurring commissions, gives you a sales funnel, gives you excellent training on how to get started, also gives you a bonus vault of training that is yours to keep Even if you drop out after your first month, the bonus vault training is still yours to keep. And there's a lot of value in that bonus vault. I'm still going through it myself. And yeah, it costs $25 a month to get started at that level, pays $20 recurring commissions. So you can make a pretty fair business out of that alone. And then for people that want more training, want more masterminds, want a lot more help, we have the premium. And that goes for $125 a month, gives you live mastermind trainings every Monday through Friday. And these trainings are sometimes they go about 2 hours long, because they start out with the trainer of the day giving their training. And then the last half of the mastermind, it's open to questions. And the owners, the trainers are very good at sticking around until the last question has been answered. And if you can't make these masterminds live, they are recorded. You can go back and you can see the recording. And if you got a question that you want to have asked in the mastermind and you can't attend live, because we all live in different time zones, right? You can submit your question to the trainer, and they will answer that question during the mastermind and then let you know where you can find the answer to your question. And so, I mean, this group is something else. The owners, the trainers, the community, they all care about one another. We're all united in trying to win our personal financial freedom and helping others achieve their financial freedom and their time freedom through home-based business. So if you are just getting started in a home-based business, or you've been meaning to start and you don't know how, the Home Business Academy is a great place to start. Very beginner friendly. And even if you're a professional, I've seen professionals come into this program and learn new things themselves, because these guys and gals that run this program, they have a boatload of experience, and they are there to answer your questions and to help guide you in your home-based business journey. So if you want to check it out, you want to get started, go to my main affiliate link. That's ralphshomebiz.com. And I'm going to put the Let's Goal app affiliate link down in the program description as well. But yeah, you can get started for as little as $10. You can get started at a little higher level for $25, get a lot more training there, more tools. And if you want to go all in, you can really get started for what, $125, $150, about $160 to get all three levels. And then you're qualified to earn $8 recurring commissions, $20 recurring commissions, and $100 recurring commissions. So yeah, get in at all three levels and you get a boatload of training, a lot of help, and you're ready to start maxing out your home-based business journey. And I mean, 80% recurring commissions. It's something else. At any level, you make 2 sales, not only is that level free to you, you're already in profit. So, I mean, this is, to me, the best opportunity I've seen out there, and one of the only opportunities that I've seen out there that is totally honest and where the owners actually care about your success and work to help make you successful, help you attain the success that you desire. So again, you want to check it out, look for my affiliate links in the program description down below. Check it out, see if it's for you. So, okay, this is Ralph. That's why I think the Home Business Academy is a lot different from a lot of the other opportunities out there. Certainly, it's totally different from a lot of the opportunities I have been involved with in the past, some of which still exist, most of which don't exist anymore. And that's another thing I love about the Home Business Academy. Been around since 2016. It's been growing and growing and growing. $6 million paid out to affiliates as of this date. And not only do we pay out a lot of money to the affiliates, A portion of all sales also help to go feed hungry children. We partner with a charity called Feed My Starving Children, and they help to provide meals to kids around the world. So it's a place where you can help yourself and also help other people in the home business community and help those who cannot help themselves, kids around the world going hungry. So check it out, see if it's for you, and if you would like to join, I would love to have you as one of my sponsorees. So this is Ralph signing out. Have a great day. Catch you in future updates. Bye-bye. As always, please remember to like, share, and subscribe.